Kurdistan. Hey, welcome to Kurdistani Royal Empire, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to all my Kurds, Kurdu, you know what I'm saying? Kurdim, you know what I'm saying? Hey, this is the official channel, you know what I'm saying? Now, I'm gonna let you guys know. Now, I see that there was a problem, you know what I'm saying, on my other channel, so I'm gonna give y'all your own channel, which I was starting to do already, but I thought, I don't know why I thought that things would be different, you know what I'm saying? But I see there are some Kurds, you know what I'm saying, that has a problem with certain other countries, you know what I'm saying, and I'm trying to keep the positivity, you know, going, you know what I'm saying. Some people it's just too much in their feelings, you know what I'm saying, but I do respect because there's a lot of, you know, real reasons why, you know, I can't get offended or, you know, anything like that. But anyway, you know, so this is Kurdistani Munchie TV. I'm American, Afro-American, you know what I'm saying. I love Kurdish music, you know what I'm saying. And welcome to the Kurdish Royal Empire, you know what I'm saying. Slaw to all my Kurds, you know what I'm saying. Today we're going to be checking out, I think this is a Kurdish rap song. This is Bekas featuring Hozan, and the song's called Xuzi or Xuzi Esbam or Uzi Esbam. So we're gonna check this out, you know what I'm saying. Make sure you smash that like button, make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Shout out to all my Kurds in Kurdistan, you know what I'm saying, in Erbil, that's the capital of Kurdistan in Iraq, you know what I'm saying, you already know. And with no further ado, let's get into this Kurdu reaction.
Bekas
of Hozan. Is it a rap song or not? Beautiful voice. You know what I'm saying? But this is amazing, you know what I'm saying? I love this scene right here. That is beautiful. You know what I'm saying? Very legendary look, epic look, you know what I'm saying? I just love it. It's just the you know what I'm saying, look like it's really foggy, you know what I'm saying, gray outside, you know what I'm saying. It's actually gray outside today, you know what I'm saying. So what's the, I know it looked like he's at like a boardwalk or something, but what's the name of that architecture that he's by? Is that like some special place or something? Let me know in the comment section. You know what I'm saying?
هزارا خفتن دلمون دابومت ویا بجمتا هندی هاتم اخو بجمتا نچم جیاب جینا من یاری کر هندی جارک بهناتت هاتم من مدوکت بجم اخو بسه دیش خواستیا نرفت.
Wherever they talking about is definitely something sad or something, you know what I'm saying, a little in the gray area, of course, you know what I'm saying. You could just tell by just the filter of the video. All the scenes has like this silver or grayish filter, you know what I'm saying. And for the most part, it's actually gray outside. I can tell, you know what I'm saying, because the gray is very fine in the video, you know what I'm saying, and it sets the mood, you know what I'm saying. And of course the beat too, you know what I'm saying, which is a beautiful beat, you know what I'm saying. I love the piano, you know what I'm saying. Shout out to Hozan, you know what I'm saying.
کری ولاتش من دیری بلکی خودی هست نکری دنیای پیوانات دل من دا خوی کی در نکف دنگیمت گریا من دا آسیب و جارک چی سر نکف هیچگاه اوینا من چیرو کا چونو نمانه ایدینا بشم که عوامت وی آیکانه خیالا خدا از روشو مهو سالا گلتش یا
We say iconia, like icon.
گتا سانی لو موش من اختش یام سانه اختش یام
أبي همي دماد قلت خزي تمام أبي داريام خزي جوانك خوبيان قلت.
What was that? That was a female sitting in the chair looking at the ocean? What body of ocean is that? Let me know. Or body of water if it's not an ocean. You know what I'm saying? It don't look like a river. It definitely is an ocean. Very, you know, that scene reminds me of The Fog, the movie called The Fog for some reason. I feel my shirt. It's a picture. It's a picture of her face, you know what I'm saying? I think it's Eminem, red M&Ms, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, shout out to all my Kurds, you know what I'm saying? If you enjoyed this reaction video, make sure you smash that like button, make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notifications, you know what I'm saying? Guys, if you like other content besides Kurdish, you know what I'm saying, and you're not, listen, I have another channel called the Turkey Royal Empire, you know what I'm saying? It's basically, you know what I'm saying, mainly Turkish. But I know that y'all don't, some of y'all don't, you know, get along with the Turkish. But for the people that does, you know what I'm saying, go watch Turkey Royal Empire if you want to see more content, you know what I'm saying. So this is my first reaction on the Kurdistani Munchie TV, you know what I'm saying, episode, you know what I'm saying. This is the first episode, you know what I'm saying. So every episode is going to be called Kurdistani Munchie TV, you know what I'm saying. And this YouTube channel is called Kurdistani Royal Empire, you know what I'm saying? So with no further ado, you know what I'm saying, I'll see you guys in the next Kurdish reaction video, you know what I'm saying? See you guys in the next reaction, you know what I'm saying? Be late, you know what I'm saying? I don't know how to say goodbye in Kurdish. Let me know how to say see y'all later in Kurdish, you know what I'm saying? Beautiful.
Bekas.
What's those crows?